Hi everybody, it's Jamie for Not Too Shabby. I have a pile of goodies here. They just keep coming in, all these new releases, so I'm getting behind on the videos. But I want to share the new Avery Elle and some stuff I restocked. You can use my coupon code Jamie to save 10% off your order. I put this up as the new freebie in the shop when you spend $60 or more. It's the washi tape from Doodlebug called Takeout. It features this cute little takeout box with the rice bowl. Really super cute. So you can add that to your cart, and once your cart reaches 60, you'll see the price of this come off the total. I do have 3 left, I think, of the Pink and Main Silver. If you rather have this one, this is still up as a free with 60, but only choose one, please. One freebie per order, please. If you put 2 in, then I will assume that you want to purchase the other one, and I will send you an invoice. Not a problem. I have the new honeybee stamps. So excited to be carrying honeybee stamps. They are so cute. I have them listed in the shop. They have their own section. So look for it under stamps and then honeybee. I brought in some of the older stuff that I really liked, so you can check that out. That box is arriving Monday, so if you do place an order with honeybee, your order will ship on Monday. But I have all this cuteness to show you right now. So with Avery Elle, this is the toucan party, and it is so cute. These little birds, and then this greenery. Really cute set. There's balloons that they could be holding in their beaks. There's some sentiments. Toucan party, better than one. Yay, it's your birthday, and a toucan of my thanks. Really super cute. And then there is a coordinating die that you can pick up. This little die goes with the stamp set. This is the banner bits. So these little sentiments here are going to fit nicely in the banner. You can use the die to cut it out. Nice size font on these for all occasions. Very nice. We've got a little die for this one, and this is called World's Greatest. So you can have the trophy cup with different sentiments in there. So if you have best father ever, best farter ever, best father of the year, coach, husband, and world's greatest. So great for masculine cards. This is the Take a Peek. It goes along with this die here, and the die is called Take a Peek die. So it cuts out this envelope. You can put gift cards in there or little notes. You can create a scene on this side if you want. There's a panel that cuts out a panel that you can adhere to the back here. And then these little elements to decorate this nice cute little bow that's going to cut out this bow here. We've got for you, to and from, take a peek, save the date, just a note, you're invited, and thank you. So good for invites too. This is really pretty. Loads of wishes. Beautiful font. I love the scripty, fancy font, and then the bold wording at the bottom. Thinking of you, happy anniversary, congratulations and best wishes, hugs and kisses, happy day, happy birthday, with sympathy, thank you, and there's a hello. And then you get a lot of hearts. Really pretty set. This one is called Love and Admired. So you get this great wreath, this great sentiment. You are the most kick-asser I know. And you are so loved and admired, and the best is yet to come. And then the die will cut out this big wreath for you, and then all these little words. You get some extra little words there. The Little Mermaid set this is too cute. These two little mermaids, they got little shells as their brassiere. And then the cute little fins with the little seahorse, the shells, and the little seaweed and bubbles. You are mermazing and make waves. Really cute. I love their little crew stamps. So this is the critter crew, and it features all these cute little animals. You got a bear, a pig, an owl, a dog, and a rabbit popping out of the box with some confetti. Did someone say cake? Surprise from all of us, and birthday wishes. And this is what the die looks like, and it comes with an extra little word die. I think that says surprise. There's exclamation point. This is a great cover all die for your A2 size cards. And then the saying, it says thank you. So that can be snipped apart, so you can use it with or without the die. Spring bouquet. I only have one left of this. This one's been selling. And then here is the die, which is a great die because it cuts out the inner portions of this flower bouquet and these little stems. And then you get some greetings, really pretty. This one's a really neat one. This is called Splash, and the die, you gotta grab the die because it comes with a pool, this great pool, and then it cuts out all the little floaties that the little that the girl can be floating on top of. She could be doing a water dance with this one, or she could be floating on the little inner tubes. There's a little ladder for the pool. Keep calm and float on. Hope your birthday is a splash are the sentiments. It says a really unique die and stamp set. This one is the pierced matte die. So it looks like it will pierce on both sides. It's going to cut down the middle, so it'll leave an inner and outer. Oh, I love this one. This is called Party Pals. I thought it was so cute. I love the banners with the big bubbly words. And then these little guys are so cute. There's a big balloon. I love how there's pairs of them. Big, let's see. So you could use the big banner, happy birthday, sending love, big birthday wish, or make a wish, yay for you. And then the coordinating die cuts out the words, the word banners out as well, so that's nice. So other little items, oops, forgot these. So this one is the hand-drawn florals. Really pretty floral set, and you get some great sentiments. And the new treat bag topper. So this is the treat bag topper number 2. It's got the stitching all around. Well, it's actually piercing. It's got the piercing all around. So great for little treat bags. And this one from Sizzix, I thought it was really cute. The little donut shaped in a heart, and then donuts for you, and then the little donut, and then these little hearts. Comes with the die. And then this cute little card. You can see an example. Really cute. So I have a few of those. I have one left. This one's been selling. The Nuvo Smooth Precision Glue Pen. So I'll have to get more of those for the shop. It's like a pen. It writes like a pen. Kind of like the Quickie glue pen. And then I got a bunch of the pens back in stock. The black glaze, the white jelly roll pens. This one, it's a little puffy ink. And then the Stardust jelly roll. I got the mini action wobbles back in stock. And then some Nuvo crystal drops in the clear. And then the snowfall. So this one's got the glitter. The aqua shimmer pens. So these kind of like a Wink Estella type of pen. And then the Nuvo signature calligraphy pen. And it comes with an ink refill. The Doodle Bug Soap Punny is back in stock, so that can go with your washi tape if you grab the free with 60. And then I did get these 3 colors back in stock from the new release. So lots of new stuff coming in, and waffle flowers should be coming in soon as well. So keep checking back. Lots of new goodies on the way. So thanks for stopping by, guys, and I hope you guys have a great weekend and happy crafting. Bye, guys.